What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Rambo Travels. Today, Isaac and I have the pleasure of going back to the Alibi Room in downtown Seattle near the gum wall. We were actually invited by the manager to come back and do another vlog for you guys. So come along and join us. Now, if it's involving food or drinks, you know Isaac and I are not going to turn that down. We wanted to try to make it down to the Alibi Room a little earlier just so that we could get some footage of the actual restaurant itself. It is tucked away in the gum wall area, so it can be a little tricky to find. But again, the first time we ate there, I was really impressed with how good the food is. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, we're here at the Alibi Room.
Yes, we got invited to come back. Went here, a couple months ago, and they were kind enough to send us a gift card and asked us to do another video for them. So
Here we are.
In this video, it's going to be a little different. We actually decided to have them pick something that was one of the customers' favorites on the menu. So we actually ordered, I believe it's fig, prosciutto, and honey and goat cheese.
Yes.
And with arugula too, I think.
Something.
So
She did better than me. I don't remember any of that stuff.
yes. So we asked, I think he's the manager or somebody that just works here. We asked him for the recommendation, and that's what he said was the most popular right now. So we're gonna go with that, and we'll let you guys know.
Yep, another beautiful day here in Seattle. It's probably around 80 degrees.
It's cooking out.
It's 12 o'clock-ish.
12 o'clock.
This place opens up at 11:30.
Yes.
I think it's 11:30 to 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. I'm sorry.
Yep.
Every day, Monday through Sunday.
Yes.
Is my understanding.
Yes.
If I made a mistake, I'll fix it in the description below. So make sure to look at the description.
I will say the quality of the food here last time we came was actually really good. And so we just want to recognize them and have you guys come here and try the food.
And I've been coming. I mean, when I was 22 years old, I think that was my first visit here, and that was over 20 years ago.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And this was actually the last time we came. This was my first time, and I've been here pretty much my whole life. So, yeah.
Good find, good eats, and it's kind of cool. It's tucked away here in the little post alley area. And you really have to look out for it when you're walking by. You can see she'll pass up, but
exactly.
We'll make sure you guys get good directions on how to get here.
They brought us the Moscow mules. Cheers. And like I said, they brought us the pizza, and it's fig, prosciutto, honey, and goat cheese. And it's very good, you guys. So,
I like the fold. I'm gonna go for the folding method because I have a feeling the honey's just gonna flip out.
I know you're not really eating dairy right now, but this is so worth it.
I am not. They do have a vegan option though. If you don't want to do dairy, I'm just gonna pay the price.
Yeah.
Sacrifices have to be made, people. I'm sorry.
Sometimes we say FOE, food over everything. And the salty, and the crunchiness, and the prosciutto
Oh man.
is crunchy on top, you guys. And then the honey drizzled on top just goes so well with the fig too. But yeah, I don't know how they come up with these combinations.
I don't know either.
I
Whoever planned these knows what they're talking about.
They did this with the last pizza we did.
Yeah.
And it was just as good. I think this is like one of my favorite pizza places. They really have the crust and the bread down.
That's what's doing it for me is the crust, the food ratio is like perfect. You get a nice crisp crunch.
The goat cheese on here is really a good touch too, actually. And I'm not usually a fan of goat cheese either, but they just know I'm really not. But the way that they put it all together, it just all fits well. And I don't know how they know how to do this, but
just looking at it, you wouldn't think these things all go together, but it is like the perfect combination. Absolutely amazing. You guys gotta come down here and check this out.
Absolutely. Isaac and I
Call us out if we're lying. Call us out, please.
Yeah.
We'll take the verbal lashing or the text lashing on the internet.
Exactly. We'll also post the menu. We'll do like a quick screenshot of the menu for you guys. So then, if you're coming down to Pike Place, super easy to get down here through the post alley.
And there's free parking.
Oh yeah.
Sundays and holidays. But if you get down here early, 11 o'clock,
Sure.
by the time you park and come through, you'll be the first ones in here. And it's worth it, you guys. Perfect lunch spot.
Yes. Yes. Isaac said it's a lot busier later, but
It's packed, especially on the weekends. Because it's a good little duck away to go grab a quick drink somewhere if you don't want to deal with a lot of the hustle and bustle like a lot of the other big restaurants around here.
And there's AC in here. I mean, it's cooking out there, you guys.
It's not complaining.
No, not complaining. We love heat, but it's it feels really good in here. So good.
I'm joking. I could eat up the rest of this all by myself. I'm not even joking, but I'm gonna read this.
I know.
I'm gonna read this. But it might be a fight later. I don't know.
No.
I'm not saying they will. I'm not saying they won't. And I really hope our microphones are working okay and you guys can hear us great.
Right.
Because if they're not, we're sorry.
Yeah.
Courtney's kind of covering her microphone for here.
Oh, sorry guys. If it sounds like Charlie Brown, that's why.
Professionals here. Yeah, right. We got full-time jobs, people, so for us to get out and do this stuff is kind of a task, but we do enjoy it. We enjoy spending time together. We would go out and do this kind of stuff anyway, so the fact that we get to bring you guys along for the ride is just a plus.
That's what's the best part about it.
Yeah. This is our life. And we do, spoiler alert, have some cool trips headed down to California. I'm not going to tell you where.
Yeah.
Not quite yet.
We do.
But we got some fun trips coming up for California.
We do. Those are
and I say trip to the S.
Yes, we do.
Not going to give too much away though. You guys are going to have to come back to watch some more and find out where we're headed because
well, and again, guys,
Ramble Travels.
Yeah. And again,
You've seen the intro. You've seen the plane. Ramble Travels. You know what's going on now.
Yes, yes. And again,
it's all in the logo, baby. It's all in the logo.
And again, if you guys are liking this content, please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.
All that.
All of that good stuff. We love to bring content to you guys, and all the support. The more the support from you guys, the more content that we can provide you guys.
Exactly.
With. So,
the algorithm. If one of you guys just like the video or leave a little comment just saying cool video or thanks or whatever, it helps the algorithm and keeps promoting our videos out to more of you guys, so you guys can all enjoy this experience with us. So.
Exactly.
As far as we know, there's not a whole lot of people that actually travel around through downtown Seattle or surrounding areas doing food videos, attraction videos. So we're trying to make sure you guys enjoy that content and are getting something out of this that helps you out for future trips.
Absolutely. And that is a wrap, everyone. Thanks so much for watching our vlog. Again, if there are any restaurants or locations you guys want to see Isaac and I film next, go ahead and just drop those in the comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Later.